This is the first urinary video. The urinary system consists of the two kidneys, the two ureters that connect the kidneys to the bladder and the urethra. And the urinary system's main focus is to get rid of liquid waste. And recall that we've studied other systems in the body that also are involved in getting rid of waste. Of course, the digestive system, the feces are solid waste. The respiratory system gets rid of waste in the form of carbon dioxide. In particular, the skin is a way we lose some waste. And now we're going to look at the urinary system. The kidneys themselves are reddish organs because they have lots of blood flowing through them, and they are kidney shaped like kidney beans. They are retroperitoneal, and they sit just above the waist on either side of the spinal cord at around T12 through L3 vertebrae. Each kidney is about 10 centimeters long and weighs about 135 to 150 grams. The medial border is the concave side, and similar to the lungs, where everything connects is the hilum. That's where the renal artery, the renal vein, the nerves, the lymphatic vessels, the ureter all connect to the kidney. So this region is the hilum. The kidney has a capsule of dense, irregular connective tissue, and there's usually some fat around the kidneys, which helps to protect them. The right kidney sits a little bit lower than the one on the left because the right side of the liver is so large. And the kidneys filter our blood about every 40 minutes. The functions of the kidneys include regulating blood volume and pressure by regulating water loss. So the kidneys play an important role in maintaining blood pressure by maintaining blood volume. They also regulate the osmolarity of the body fluids through retaining or excreting ions. That includes sodium ion, potassium ion, calcium ion, chloride ion, and bicarbonate ion. They are the source of some proteins, some hormones. They secrete erythropoietin. I hope you remember what that is involved with. They also are involved in the activation of vitamin D into calcitriol. They do the second step after the liver. And they secrete the enzyme renin, which is important in the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone pathway, which we are going to revisit as we study the urinary system. The kidneys also are involved in regulating blood pH. They regulate the amount of carbon dioxide and also acid-base balance via controlling the amount of both hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions in the blood. The kidneys also play a role in detoxification, removing some drugs, toxins, and hormones, for example, from the bloodstream, and then they can be eliminated with the urine. The kidneys are important for excreting nitrogenous waste. These are breakdown products of processing food for energy, including deaminated amino acids, ammonia, urea, for example. And they do most of these things by filtering the blood plasma. That filtering helps to separate the wastes from the useful components so that the waste can be eliminated and the useful components can be returned to the blood. So that filtering of the blood plasma is related to the excretion of nitrogenous wastes, to the detoxification, to the pH regulation, to the osmolarity and the blood volume, honestly. Everything except the hormones is related to those, the filtering of the blood plasma. Here are a few more images of the kidney. These cross sections help you see where they're located in relation to the spine and some other organs. And here is a picture of the inside of the kidney.